How to unban permanently or temporarily ban TikTok account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So to unban your account, you have to first appeal to TikTok. So you can open your browser, type TikTok appeal, and then click on account safety. So to jump to the section of contacting TikTok about banned accounts, click on this. Now, as you can see, accounts that consistently violate community guidelines will be banned from TikTok. If your account has been banned, you will receive a banner notification when you next open the app, informing you that your account has been banned. If you believe your account was banned incorrectly, you can submit an appeal. So what you can do is open the notification and tap Appeal. You'll be required to fill a form. Once you fill your report, you can click on Submit, and then TikTok should get back to you in 24 to 72 hours to let you know of their review. You can also scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on Contact Us. So type in your email address and your username. On Select a Topic, click on this arrow, and then select Account Ban or Suspension. For Tell Us More, click on the arrow again, and then select Banned Account Not Age-Related. So type out your appeal here about how it was a mistake or you unknowingly went against the community guidelines. You can upload up to 10 screenshots to share details related to your feedback, and you can see the files that is supported. You have to confirm that these statements are true before submitting, and then click on Submit. So this is how to unban permanently or temporarily ban TikTok account. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.